Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? I'm sleepy already. I'm tired. I wanna sleep early. My eyes is want to close already. Have a good night sleep, everyone. See you tomorrow. My eyes want to close already. I'm so sleepy. I'm very tired today. I'm tired. Although I'm not so busy today, but I'm feeling tired. Because how many days, how many weeks I won't be able to rest every time I have off. Because I have so many place to went and need to do. Like last Saturday, I won't be able to rest instead of resting. I have orientation and I have meeting and going to church. Especially this coming week or this coming month, I have 300 hours of GT. I have training for 300 hours. Every duty, my training is 12 hours, 8 to 8. From 8 a.m. in the morning until 8 p.m. in the evening. I have local leave. That's why instead of doing nothing, I sign up for training for additional skills and additional opportunity also. I hope and pray that I can use what I can learn in training to improve my life, to level up my career. Because I want to work in the hospital. Good night guys. I'm so sleepy na. See you tomorrow. Bye. I love you all. Miss you all. Bye. Bye bye.